So hi everyone, welcome to Health Now TV again, and this is my review of Gilma infrared thermometer. These are the features of the Gilma infrared thermometer. It has 30 sets of memory, easy to use. It has 6 months of warranty, 15 seconds auto shut off. So if you are not using the infrared thermometer for 15 seconds, it will automatically shut off to save the battery. Measuring time is only 1 second. Measuring distance is 2 to 5 centimeters range. It measures infrared wave and there is a sound and light warning. So if your temperature is normal, the light will be green. If your temperature is low, then the light will be yellow, and if you have fever or high temperature, the light will be red. So these are the manufacturing details of the Gilma infrared thermometer. So this is the product label of Gilma infrared thermometer. It works on the two 1.5 volt AAA batteries. Measuring range is 32 degrees Celsius to 42.9 degrees Celsius. This is the Fahrenheit value. Measuring distance is 2 to 5 centimeters, and this is the month and year of manufacturing. So this is how you have to put the batteries inside. So as you can see, the batteries inside, the contact point inside both have springs. So usually it is like the only on the positive side there is usually a spring, but in this case both positive and negative side goes this way. So don't get confused, or don't put it this way. Don't put the batteries this way. You have to put it this way to make it work. Negative side up, positive side up, then you have to close and your infrared thermometer will start working. So this is showing the body temperature. These are the buttons which are available. So button label says that this is the button for the mode, this is for the changing degree Celsius and Fahrenheit, and this is for the memory feature. Now what I will do is I will press this button. So this is a very funny thing. So even though this button is labeled as mode, it is changing the value to degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit. Let us see what this button does. So this is changing the mode, actually surface and the body temperature, and this is the memory feature. As I said, there is a feature to measure memory up to 30 values. It says that it measures up to 30 sets of data memory, but I can go up to 32. Again, a funny thing. So what I will do is I will measure temperature of my hand. So this is 36.3 degrees Celsius of my body temperature. If I go to surface temperature, it is 33 degrees Celsius. So as you can see, the measuring range of the thermometer is 32 degrees Celsius to 42.9 degrees Celsius. So if the temperature of the product which you are measuring is below or above this, it will not be measuring and it will give you this kind of error. So I don't know about the accuracy of this thermometer, how good it is at measuring the body temperature. The thing about this thermometer is that couple of weeks back my family member had fever. So if I put my hand on my family member's head or neck, I could feel the high temperature. But this thermometer was not measuring it as a high temperature. It was showing normal body temperature only. Maybe the body temperature must be normal only, but I don't know how good it is at measuring the body temperature. So even though my family member had high fever with hot body, this thermometer was not really showing a red colored reading which shows fever. So now what I did is I dipped my hand in little bit of cold water and let us see what is the reading shown. It is 34.9, 35 degrees Celsius. I will wash my hands, rub my hands. Now let us see what is the reading. 34.4. This hand was proper. It is showing 35.5 degrees Celsius. Now I have brought some warm water. I will dip my fingers in the warm water and let us see what is the temperature of my fingertips. 36.6. This part was not really dipped right now. It is showing low temperature. I will dip it for some more time. 36.9. So as my temperature of my fingertips is increasing, the temperature shown by the infrared thermometer is increasing as well. If I directly point the gun at the water, it is showing high temperature. Now this is a very warm water and I cannot put my fingers in it for a very long period of time. So I will put my fingers in and I will see how much the temperature is shown. So it is high. Now it is dropping. My palm is not really dipped in the water, so it won't show very high temperature, but because this water is very warm, if I dip my fingertips, it will show high temperature. So this thermometer is very good and very effective at measuring the temperatures. So probably because I was feeling warmth. I was feeling that my family member's skin was warm and that person had fever. So maybe I was feeling the temperature, but maybe the surface temperature of the skin of that person, my family member, wasn't very high. That is why this thermometer wasn't measuring it as a high temperature. But as I showed you the demo, it is very accurate. As I dipped my fingers in the warm water, it showed high temperature, red colored. When my fingers were not there in the water, it was showing normal temperature, and when I was dipping my fingers in cold water, it was showing comparatively low temperature. So I think this thermometer is very good, very effective, and you can use it, I think, safely. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to Health Now TV and press the bell icon to stay up to date with all latest updates from this channel.